Hello friends, welcome to Namey Fashion today. This video is an unboxing. And a try-on from Shein. I want to share a pair of flat brown slide sandals. The design is simple, the color looks warm, the strap shows a gold detail. The shape feels light, the footbed feels soft, the style looks casual. It also feels a bit elegant. I like this easy slip-on style, it works for warm days. It works for simple looks, the strap may feel a little stiff at first. I want to share first thoughts before the try-on. Thank you for being here. The sandals feel soft under my feet. The flat sole gives a sense of comfort, the strap holds firmly, but not too tight. The golden detail looks shiny under the light. The color brown feels natural and warm. The slide style makes it easy to wear them quickly. They feel casual for every day. They also feel neat for simple outing, walking a few steps. They stay in place, the movement feels light, the shape does not make my feet tired. I like how the top part looks smooth. The finish is clean, they do not look heavy. They give a simple look that works in many ways. The sandals also show small things that are less perfect. The strap feels a little stiff. When I move my toes, the sole feels flat, so it may not give much support for long walks. The golden detail may scratch if it hits something hard. Still, they feel fine for daily use at home. They work for short walks outside. The brown shade matches many outfits. The design is simple enough to use often. I enjoy trying them and sharing how they look. It feels good to talk about the comfort and also the limits. It makes the review more complete. The sandals give a clear impression. With the first use, the flat sole feels soft for short walks. The brown color gives a natural style. The slide entry makes them easy to wear. The golden detail shines and adds a touch of charm. The design looks simple, but also neat. They stay in place with movement. The top part feels smooth, and the finish is clean. They look light and not heavy. They are casual, but they can also look elegant. They match with many outfits. They give a summer feeling that feels calm and relaxed. The strap can feel stiff, and the sole does not give much support, so they are not the best for long hours. Still, they work very well for daily use and simple outings. For me, the balance is positive because the look is versatile and the style is easy. The part that feels less perfect is the support for long time wear, but that is normal in flat sandals. Overall, they are simple and pleasant. I hope you enjoyed this try-on. Thank you for spending time with me. I invite you to check more videos with different sandals and styles. Your support makes me happy and helps me continue creating content. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.